Hello, the student of class 7. Today we will read from the book of First Images, lesson 10, poem As I Grew Older. This is perhaps the poem is about the discrimination among the people, and many persons raised voice against it. Open your book and let's read the poem. It was a long time ago. I have almost forgotten my dream, but it was there then in front of me, bright like a sun, my dream. The poet denotes in this extract, in these lines, that it was a long time I have forgotten, that the poet he had forgotten his dreams, but it was there then bright like a sun appeared his dream, and then the wall rose slowly between me and my dream, and there was an obstacle. The poet is thinking about his dream, and perhaps there was an obstacle. In his dream, a wall rose slowly between the poet and the poet's dream, between the poet and the poet's dream, between me and my dream, rose until it touched the sky. The wall shadow, I am a black. The shadow of the black side, the wall rose so high until it touched the sky. The wall shadows, due to the wall shadows, the poet became black. I am black. I lie down in the shadow, no longer the light of my dream before me. And the poet lies down in the shadows, and there is no dream before him. Above me, only the thick wall, only the shadow, my hands, my dark hands. There was nothing, there was no anything but thick wall and its shadow. The poet's hand and the dark hand and his dark hand, black hands, break through the wall and my dream. To find his dreams, he has to break this thick wall. Help me to shatter his darkness. And he also requested to people to help him shatter this darkness, to smash this night and to break this night, to break this shadow into 1,000 lights of sun in the daybreak, 1,000 lights of sun in the day. The sun's light break these shadows into 1,000 whirling dreams of sun, whirling, moving round. Moving round quickly in a circle. Quickly in a circle, and their dreams was moving round quickly in circles of the sun. Now, see, the consolidate question A1. Answer these questions. See on whiteboard. Question number 1. A1 का question number 1. What did the poet have a long time ago? Does he remember it? The poet had a dream a long time ago. He has almost forgotten it. Question second. What has happened to the dream? Answer. There was a thick wall between the poet and his dream. Question 3. What change has the poet undergone? The change the poet has undergone, his hands and body became black. Question 4. What all does the poet want to break, smash and shatter? Answer. Darkness, night, shadow and wall. The poet wants to break, smash and shatter. Question 5. How does the poet hope to recapture his dream? Thousand lights of sun and breaking the darkness, the poet hopes to recapture his dream. Question number A, second ka, question number 1, 2 and 3, you have to do as your homework. Pause the video and write it in your notebook. Your poem has completed now. Thank you.